Hello, hi, welcome to the Lipstick Chat. We are back with a quick update of Sibongile and the Dlaminis. Ukwenzo and Sibongile's relationship is taking a new turn, where Usbongile is saying she is ready. Yes, Usbongile is saying she is ready for the butternut to be opened and for the butternut to be enjoyed. Now, I'm asking myself, Uguti, the day the father knows Uguti the butternut was opened and the butternut was enjoyed before a ring is on Sibongile's finger, how will he take that? How will he experience that? But Usbongile is the one telling Kwenzo ukuthi already, and Kwenzo is like, I want to make it beautiful, I want to make the experience memorable, and uzozisola uSibongile or ngeke azisole. Ukwenza uzomshada uSibongile or ngeke amshade, hey, we are yet to know. Furthermore, uSamke then decided to take the phone. Ifone kalona iphume ney'phiri zonke-ke. Ifone iphume ney'phiri. I was so bored ukuthi like the storyline is taking like a boring turn. This is why I'm saying that. Upheteni, I think they've exhausted their storyline. Upheteni has always shown that she's a faithful wife. She's at home. She does this. Girl was so stressed even when her husband cheated, and when her husband had a child with another woman, more especially her helper. If vele beka umuntu ophingayo, she would not care. But nonetheless, the storyline is taking us to that direction. Lokhunja ahambe amtshele unjengaye angalali ekhaya. However, he did not confront umngaki. Right now, is the two playing hide and seek. Did you say anything to Usamke? Umama Kwana was too drunk when Usamke was when she was telling Usamke this. Unfortunately, she does not remember Uguti she told Usamke or not, which also upset me because it showed Uguti the story Veled needs to go on a production break as planned, because right now the storyline is not storylining.